Three dudes in a truck and an hour-long drive? What could possibly go wrong? Welcome to the YouTube channel. Okay guys, we have arrived at Bridgeport. We got Skippy here with us today. One of our customers joining us with their pretty built out Sequoia, the one that we did the e-locker on. And today we're gonna be testing out how Skippy does out in the trail. We already did the long drive over here, which is not really that long, it's just like an hour, but I can already say these 37s, they gotta go. And I'll get more into that later today. Other than that, we also wanted to test out the locker system on the Sequoia and push it pretty hard. So it's gonna be great, fun. Did I say I don't like the cold? Because I don't like the cold. I'm in the truck. Alex doesn't seem to mind the cold at all. It's what he does. Joey is indifferent.
Yeah.
But me, no. I'm protected by the wind inside of Skippy. That sounded weird. I'm protected by Skippy from the wind. Look, it's morning. I haven't had my coffee. I just want to go wheeling.
Hold on a second. What channel are you on?
Hello?
Oh, there it is. Testing, testing, 1, 2.
I hear you loud and clear. This thing is dumb. This thing is dumb.
So, how is it so far, Pablo?
It literally doesn't struggle for anything. It's really weird.
Nice.
But being on this side, I feel very tippy all the time. Jay almost flipped over too.
In a Tacoma.
I mean, I think we're gonna have to go right. That's where you went. I remember where this is.
Okay. Let's do it.
All right.
Stop.
Go forward, go forward.
All right, well, Skippy almost made it up that trail over there. That's a hard one because it's nice and dry until you get to the top, and once you're at the top, it's just slick as snot. And I just couldn't get the traction. So, and it's partly I'm gonna give it driver because I'm not used to wheeling on this side, and I've never taken this rig off-roading before. But it's doing great. It feels phenomenal. I think I'm the limitation, not the truck.
All right, now come up. Come on up. Okay, there you go.
That was unlocked. You know, I don't care what a lot of people say about Sequoias, but they are slept on. Like, this guy has been keeping up with the 80 series the whole day, and actually has done a couple things better than the 80. So, I approve. So that was a fun day. Skippy's pretty beast. There's some glaring issues with the transmission though, and part of it I don't know if it's because I'm just not used to a diesel, or it's just it feels like it's not shifting when it's in low. So I gotta figure out what's going on there. I just don't feel like I have all the power that I should have. So we're gonna service it and see if that changes anything. And then the Sequoia did fantastic. I was actually really surprised at how well that it held up to having the locker. I mean, it just plowed through everything. It also helps to have a giant V8 and God's amount of power. But pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. I think for now we're gonna be airing up our tires, and then we're gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna go home. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. It helps us out a ton. And don't forget about the little bell icon if you like to get notified when we post another video. So thank you guys. Y'all have a good one.